How to cancel an order on Amazon before shipping. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel an order on Amazon before shipping. First, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Now tap on the profile icon next to the home icon at the bottom right corner. Then select your orders to view your recent orders. Here, find the order you want to cancel before it ships. Next, tap on the order to open its details. After that, look for the Cancel Order option. If the item hasn't shipped yet, you will see this option available. Tap it and confirm the cancellation. That's it. You've successfully canceled your order before it shipped on Amazon. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.